Encountering error. 1061, the service cannot accept control messages. Here are 2 fixes to resolve it quickly. Open the Windows run by pressing the Windows key and R at the same time. In that open the services running window and type the command as follows: services.msc. Scroll down and find Credential Manager in the services. You need to see its properties. To do so, double-click on it. This will open the Properties window of the Credential Manager. Now, in the Startup type, select Automatic. Run the manager again by clicking Start, and click the Apply button, and then the OK button to save the changes. Similar to Method 1, we need to navigate to the Services window. Press Win and R to open the Services page. In the Services window, we need to view the properties of the Application Information Service to fix the error. After finding it, double-click on the service to open the Properties window. Now, click the Start button if it is not running in the Properties window. Apply and save these changes. Other than the Application Information Service, similarly, check whether these other systems are running. If they are not, start all of these programs as shown below. Application Layer Gateway Service, NW, Network, Connections NLA, Network Location Awareness, Plug-and-Play Remote Access Auto Connection Manager, Remote Access Connection Manager, RPC, Remote Procedure Call, Telephony. After running all these services, error 1061 will not persist and be solved. All these applications work on the network and provide admin privileges to applications. Hence, they are given access to almost everything in the Windows system. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.